Welcome back, beautiful souls. This is part 5 of our beginner witchcraft series, where we explore simple, gentle practices designed to help you build confidence without fear or pressure. If you're just joining us, this series is all about learning the foundations: grounding, intention, awareness, and self-trust. In the last video, we talked about herbs and symbolism, and how meaning matters more than complexity. Today, we're moving into one of the most well-known and beginner-friendly practices in witchcraft: candle magic. If you've ever made a wish while blowing out birthday candles, or lit a candle to create a peaceful mood, you've already taken your first step. This practice is intuitive, accessible, and deeply personal, which makes it a perfect starting point for anyone feeling a little unsure or overwhelmed. It's about connecting with yourself in a quiet, intentional way. Candle magic is not about forcing outcomes or making things happen instantly. At its core, candle magic is about focus. It's a tool for meditation and mindfulness. The flame gives your mind something steady to rest on. The candle represents your intention in physical form, and the act of lighting it marks a moment of awareness, a conscious decision to pause and connect with yourself. The candle itself is not doing the magic. You are. The magic is in your focus, your intention, and your emotional connection to what you desire. Candle magic works because it helps you slow down, concentrate, and connect emotionally with what you're asking for or inviting into your life. That's why it's such a powerful practice for beginners. It doesn't require complex rituals or a deep understanding of ancient texts. It simply asks you to be present with your own thoughts and feelings. It's a beautiful way to train your mind to focus and to build a relationship with your own inner power. It's less about commanding the universe and more about communicating clearly with yourself. Let's clear up a common myth straight away. You do not need specially carved candles, expensive oils, or elaborate tools to practice candle magic. A plain white candle is more than enough. In fact, many experienced witches prefer simple, unscented candles because they are a blank slate for any intention. White candles are often used because they're associated with clarity, peace, and flexibility. They can be used for almost any intention, whether you're seeking protection, inviting calm, or setting a new goal. If you do want to explore colors later, that's absolutely fine, but it's optional, not required. The most important thing is that the candle feels safe, simple, and meaningful to you. Your practice should fit into your life, not feel like something you have to perform. If all you have is a tea light, that's perfect. If you have a pillar candle, that's great too. Don't let the idea of needing the right supplies stop you from beginning. The power is in your intention, not in your props. If you enjoy symbolism and find that colors help you focus, here are a few simple and commonly used color associations. Remember, these are guides, not rules. White is often linked to clarity, peace, and protection. It's like a clean slate, perfect for new beginnings, or when you're not sure what you need. Pink is associated with self-love, kindness, and emotional healing. It has a gentle, nurturing energy, great for when you need to be kinder to yourself. Green is commonly connected to growth, health, and prosperity. Think of the vibrant green of new spring leaves. Blue is linked to calm, communication, and truth. It can help you find your voice or bring a sense of tranquility to a situation. But again, these are not rules. They are simply common correspondences. If a color means something different to you personally, your meaning always comes first. For example, if green reminds you of a favorite childhood memory filled with joy, you can absolutely use it for happiness. Intuition is a key part of the practice. Trust what feels right for you. You don't need a full moon, a special astrological alignment, or perfect conditions to work with candles. The best time to practice is whenever you feel the need for it. Candle magic can be used when you need calm after a stressful day. It can be used when you want clarity on a confusing decision. It's wonderful for when you're setting goals for the week or month ahead. Or it can be used when you simply want a quiet moment for yourself, a little pocket of peace in a busy world. Some witches do like to align their candle work with the phases of the moon. For example, using the new moon for setting new intentions and the full moon for release or expressing gratitude. Others don't follow timing at all and simply practice when the mood strikes. Both approaches are completely valid. The most powerful magic is the magic you actually do. So don't wait for the perfect time. The right time is when you feel called to connect with your intention. Let's walk through a very simple candle practice that is perfect for beginners. First, choose a quiet space where you won't be interrupted, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Take a few slow, deep breaths and allow your body to relax. Let go of the tension in your shoulders and jaw. Now hold your candle in your hands. Feel its texture and weight. Decide on one clear, simple intention. It's better to focus on one thing than a long list. For example, your intention could be, I invite calm and clarity into my mind, or I am open to new opportunities for growth, or simply, I am safe and at peace. Keep it positive and focused on you. When you're ready, light the candle. As the flame burns, focus gently on it. Let your intention fill your mind. Notice how it feels in your body. Imagine what your life feels like when that intention is already present. You don't need to speak aloud unless you want to. Silence is just as powerful. Stay with the candle for as long as feels comfortable. Even 1 minute is enough. When you're done, you can gently blow out the flame or snuff it out, thanking it for its help. A quick but very important note on safety. Never, ever leave a burning candle unattended, even if you just need to leave the room for a moment. Extinguish the flame first. Keep your candle away from curtains, books, pets, and anything flammable. Place it on a stable, heat-resistant surface. Magic should never put you or anyone else at risk. Safety is the first and most important rule of any practice. Ethically, when you're just starting out, it's best to focus your candle magic on yourself. Focus on your mindset, your emotional well-being, your personal space, and your own growth. This keeps your practice grounded, empowering, and centered on self-development. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, not about controlling others or external events. This approach ensures your early experiences with magic are positive, constructive, and built on a foundation of self. If you're sitting there wondering whether you're doing this right, the answer is simple. Your intention matters far more than perfection. Witchcraft is not about following strict rules or performing flawlessly. It's about awareness, growth, and learning to trust yourself. Every time you light a candle with intention, you are building that self-trust. You are practicing. If this video helped you feel a little more confident to begin, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever worked with candles before? Or is this a completely new idea for you? Your experiences are so valuable. If you'd like to continue this journey with us, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for the next part of our series. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and trust your path.